Good morning and welcome to another edition of CCH Checkup brought to you by Caro Community Hospital. Respiratory Care Week is coming up, and today we have joining us Marcy Campbell. She is a registered respiratory therapist at Caro Community Hospital, and she'll be talking to us about respiratory therapists, what they do, and about Respiratory Care Week. So thank you, Marcy, for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
And let's jump right in. When is Respiratory Care Week?
Respiratory Care Week is October 25th through the 31st. This year marks the 51st anniversary of the respiratory therapy profession.
And what do respiratory therapists do?
Respiratory therapists, also known as respiratory care practitioners, are trained to aid physicians in the evaluation, diagnosis, and care of patients with cardiopulmonary problems. As the name implies, respiratory therapists treat patients with problems related to breathing, such as issues of people suffering from lung disease. They are patient care managers who not only determine the need for respiratory care services, but actually administer that care directly to patients. Patients of all ages are treated by respiratory, from premature infants in respiratory distress to senior citizens with end-stage ventilator failure. Respiratory therapists help people who suffer from chronic lung diseases like COPD, asthma, lung cancer, sarcoidosis, pneumonia, and pulmonary hypertension.
And what procedures do respiratory therapists perform?
We give medication and aerosol therapy, do pulmonary function tests, also sleep studies, oxygen therapy, blood gases, airway management, mechanical ventilation, and much more. We work in intensive care units, trauma units, the ER, general hospital floors, rehab centers, home care, pulmonary function lab, and sleep disorder centers are just some of the variety of locations we work.
And is there a need for respiratory therapists?
The demand for respiratory therapists has never been higher, so job stability is excellent. Career opportunities will remain good in the foreseeable future, projected to grow 19% between 2012 and 2022. The opportunity to really help people and make a lasting and meaningful difference in the lives of others means you'll get much more out of your career than just a paycheck.
All right. Well, thank you once again, Marcy, for joining us and letting us know about Respiratory Therapist and Respiratory Care Week, which is coming up October 25th through the 31st. And again, if you'd like to learn more information, you can always visit cch-mi.org and join us next week for your next edition of CCH Checkup brought to you by Caro Community Hospital.